Hey, it's Jim from Delta Mountain Custom Models. Got a CP, it's a Kato SD45 converted to an SD40-2M, and it's all fully detailed. I moved the horn, added the ditch lights, correct plow, put the nose light on, it's got ditch lights, roof eye bolts, piping back to the horn, the correct antennas, all metal grabs, etc. So why don't we take a look at the lighting here, and Tsunami sound, of course. And they don't have to flash if you don't want them, but just always add that capability. The hardest part about these engines is always putting that stupid nose light on, but it's done. Coke, MU hoses, cut bars. And then the back is supposed to be completely no number boards whatsoever, so those are just painted in, but still turned out pretty good, I think. It's hard to get every manufacturer to create a totally realistic model, or totally correct model, I should say. You can't see the piping from this angle. There, just there, you can see some of it, but see it better on the photographs. Go to my website. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.